I am not doing the whole wifey's duty on the girlfriend's budget. Hey y'all, it's Annabelle! So I'm so sick and tired of girls talking about, oh, well, if he's not gonna put a ring on it, why would I act like his wife? How is he supposed to know if he would want you as a wife if you're not showing him what it's like to have you as a wife? So let's backtrack a little bit. First of all, marriage does not benefit men at all, unless you have like a religious belief behind it and all that. But there's nothing about marriage that actually genuinely benefits a man. Why would he just be like, oh, okay, yeah, sure, put thousands of dollars of ring on your finger, but I will also spend thousands of dollars on a wedding. And on top of that, babe, I would love to, give you half of my stuff when you decide you want to go F the pool boy. Of course, why not? Oh, and you want babies? Okay, perfect, because then you can put me on child support even if we have split custody. Of course, it can go both ways, yes, okay? So, yes, the man can go after the wife or ex-wife for alimony, but do they? No, because if I'm done, then just let me be done. But a woman will want half your paycheck, want you to pay thousands of dollars to raise a child that only requires a few hundred if each parent is paying their own. Except for, I get the rare circumstances, it is what it is. Okay, anyways. Then they're also gonna be like, oh, well, he was horrible, he did this, and I'm a victim because of this, and I have trauma because of this, and I was coerced into doing this. Marriage does not benefit a man. So for a woman to be like, oh, why would I perform wifely duties? I'm not cooking for him because he's not my husband yet. I'm not massaging my man every night before bed because he's not my husband yet. Why would I do that if I don't have a ring on my finger? If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. No, marriage ruins so many people's relationships. Do not do that. Do not marry her, bro. Don't marry her, okay? Trust me. She don't deserve it. Especially if she's pressing you about marriage. I would be like, wait a minute. What's wrong with our relationship? Why do you want to get married so bad? Unless there is religious or spiritual beliefs behind it, then I understand. But come on now. It's 2025. Chances of a woman wanting to get married because of religious beliefs? Probably not. You wouldn't have busted it open if that were the case. Stop acting like you need to be a rent-a-wife in order to perform wifely duties. You should take care of your man anyhow, because guess what? Whether or not he has a ring on his finger, if somebody comes breaking into the house, I guarantee you he would protect you like you were his wife. You should love your man regardless of the title society puts on y'all. Don't marry her, bro. Trust me. Don't do it.